Your AI agent is about to get a wallet. That sounds convenient until the first sponsored choice quietly becomes the default choice. The money story today is Coinbase and AWS launching USDC payment rails for AI agents. Put simply, the agent no longer only recommends a purchase, books a service, or calls an API. It can also move programmable dollars through the same workflow. Here is the mechanism to watch. The agent cash register. In the old software stack, payment was the last step. A human clicked approve. A finance team reconciled the invoice. A platform took its cut after the work was already defined. In the agent stack, payment moves inside the decision loop. The agent chooses the supplier, checks whether a transaction is allowed, pays with a stablecoin rail, and leaves a machine-readable receipt. That sounds like plumbing, but plumbing is where the toll booth lives. For Coinbase, the prize is not just transaction volume, it is becoming the register agents use when they spend. For AWS, the prize is keeping agent workloads, identity, and payment closer to its cloud. The company that controls the register can shape which services are easiest to buy, which receipts are easiest to audit, and which rails become the default for machine-to-machine commerce. This is why the story belongs in money chess, not crypto hype. If agents become workers, then payments become wages, petty cash, purchase orders, and expense reports for software labor. Every agent action that touches money needs three things: a spending limit, an approved counterparty, and a receipt that a human can inspect later. Miss that, and your company does not have automation. It has an intern with a credit card and no manager. The practical move is to design the register before the agent goes shopping. Give each agent a narrow allowance. Separate browse permission from buy permission. Require a receipt with purpose, vendor, amount, and owner. And treat sponsored recommendations as a conflict of interest unless the agent can prove why the cheaper or safer option lost. There is also a product design lesson. If your agent platform cannot show the money trail in one screen, the finance team will slow it down. The receipt cannot be a mystery log buried in a developer console. It has to read like a card statement for software labor. Who asked? What changed? Why this vendor? Why now? And who owns the rollback if the purchase was wrong? The winners here will not be the loudest agents. They will be the rails that make autonomous spending boring enough for finance, security, and procurement to trust. That is the turn. The next AI moat may be the cash register, not the chatbot. Build your agents like accountable employees, and you become the operator who can let software spend money without letting it spend trust.